No one cares how long a laundromat has been there. No one. It's not like a restaurant. If a restaurant's been around for 50 years, it's probably really good food. This is a laundromat, and no one cares about your reputation.
Oh,
Tony, what are you doing?
how you doing, Danny?
I know this is convoluted and confusing and silly, but I have to say this. If you send a second text, even a question mark, it is going to put you at the absolute bottom of the list of calls that I'm making. I don't take it personally, but when you send a question mark, it's almost like saying, gee, Danny, are you water skiing? Have you forgotten about me? Are you in Vegas? None of those things are ever the case. I have 36 clients waiting to make calls all over these United States, 2 of them in Guam and 1 in Paris. So that being said, not at all. No, dude, I just want to explain it. It's all in written form. It's no big deal. But if you send a question mark, now instead of being in line, you go to the bottom of said list. It's not a big deal. But I had you there ready to go. Tony has 2 stores. Is that what this is?
Yeah, he does. And both of them are zombies.
Got it.
And this is the one he didn't know about, didn't even think about leasing it. And he didn't know what a fair price was. But both his stores are the same. They're both zombie mats.
So I spoke to him on the 31st, and he doesn't really know what to lease it for or which one he wants to give to us. So here we go. You want to bet he doesn't answer? Because now he knows me. He knows who I am. He knows my phone number. If he saved my number, he probably didn't look into it, or he was f***ing us off. Okay. Here we go. Stupid.
Hello.
Tony, how the hell are you?
Oh, I'm doing good. Thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. I want to rent your laundromats, plural, 1, 2, both of them. I want to give you a rent check, Tony, if the timing is right.
What do you mean? You want to lease my place, you mean?
That is correct. Yes, sir.
Oh, the one on Mir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much you can pay for me a month?
As little as possible.
Yeah, of course, everyone want like that, I know. But anyway, just let I tell you, okay? And then let's see if we can do business or not. But I will lease that for you $1,800 a month.
What? $1,500 a month.
No, I say 1,800. Not I told you.
Okay, well, I misunderstood. That's why I'm making sure I got it right. Numbers are finite.
1,800. Yeah.
$1,800 a month. I need a 15-year lease, Tony, because I need.
Yeah, how many years is okay with me, but I cannot do the 1,800 a month for 15 years straight.
Well, we're not there yet. We're going to talk about rent increases, obviously, but I cannot. Look, Tony, let's be honest. You operate the laundromat, right?
Yeah.
You're running it. You're not making $1,800 a month. Otherwise, you'd keep it. So you want me to give you more than you're earning in the laundromat. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. It's it's only 1,200 square foot, bro. I can't give you. Okay, what's the square footage?
The whole building is big, but I just get that it's in the front, but in the back, it's big. And if you can put, I think that you can put a lot of machine in there more if you want.
Tony, I don't. We're talking. We have 5 threads of conversation going. Okay, so let's bring it back. I'm not going to build a laundromat. I'm not going to come in and do environmental impact fees. I'm not going to put even one more washing machine in there. How many washers do you have on Mirror? How many washers are connected?
Let's see, 10, 10, 20, about 26, I think, 26 or 25, something like that. I'm not remember exactly.
25.
Yeah, something like that. Less one or two, or maybe more one or two.
How do you not know how many washing machines you have connected?
I'm not counting, man. But I know that it's 10, maybe 10, and maybe 6, maybe 25 or 26, something like that.
Tony, look.
Yeah,
Look. Let's be honest.
Okay.
I'm going to spend a few $100,000 on new equipment in the store. I'm after connections. Do you know why I want this space? Do you know why I'm interested? The connections, the gas, water, electric that's there. Okay, that's why. Not your stellar reputation, not the fact that you've been running it for a number of years. No one cares how long a laundromat has been there. No one.
Okay.
You know that. It's not like a restaurant. If a restaurant's been around for 50 years, it's probably really good food, right? That's the only way you can survive that long.
Yeah.
Oysters, steak, cigar bar. This is a laundromat, and no one cares about your reputation. It's a very small store. I can start at 80 cents a square foot, 3% increases a year, which is more than reasonable. But I'm not going to give you 1,800 square foot for a 1,200 square foot laundry. It's very, very small. So 80 cents a square foot is reasonable and commensurate. We have to measure the space and then get back with you. And you and I both know what you're trying to do is profit heavily off of my lease rate. But the difference is, what would be the difference between the way you're operating it now and the way I'm going to operate it? What's the big difference?
Yeah, we don't need to talk a lot of things like that, but we just agree with the amount of lease. Like I lease the whole building, right? And I don't know what you operate that. You want to change everything, or you remodeling, or you change all equipment.
Do you think
That
I'm going to
depend on
try to
you.
run it the
But
way it is? You
yeah,
have
but
four,
I
only
don't
four
know.
of the machines, only four of the
Yeah,
machines are working.
but I just want to connect 1,800 a month. That's
Okay,
it.
but you're not going to collect 1,800 from a laundromat operator. Thanks for the time,
For
Tony.
right now. Mhm.
Bye-bye. Done. I'm not going to listen to this man talk in circles. God bless him. He speaks at least 2 languages. I have tons of respect for him, what he probably has done to get to this country, and how he's been running businesses, but that was still a complete fuck off, right? Because he's trying to tell me things as though I'm an idiot. And the conversation's over. We don't even get to rent abatement, everything else. I need you to go back there and count the equipment, tell me what it looks like, how many machines are in there. I mean, I'm not going to offer him 75 cents a square foot. I would like to collect 1,800. I'd love for you to collect 1,800.
There is 24 pieces in it, and only 4 washing machines work and 6 dryers work.
Being close to making a deal is one thing, okay? Then we have to get into the fact that he owns 2 laundromats. Why aren't we talking about the other one?
He mentioned mirror because you said to him 2 laundromats.
Yes.
And he mentioned mirror because a for sale
Tony,
sign just
set
went
your
up on the
calendar
other
for
one.
3 months. We'll call him back in 3 months.
Okay.
Because in 3 months, I can and put it in the notes. We can use the verbiage, and I'll say, "Hey, Tony, it's been 1 quarter. You'd be this much closer to collecting rent in these spaces. I guarantee he's not going to do anything. Keep an eye on them. See if anything changes, and we'll call him back in 3 months."
Okay.
Thanks, dude.
You got it.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.